Before we start, I would like to open this presentation with a question. Do you guys perhaps have an idol, whether it be a singer, actor, actress, or even maybe a fictional characters that you like and love so much that you start to develop a bond and an emotional attachment towards them? If yes, then you guys have to be careful because that might be a sign that you are developing a parasocial relationship. Before we get into the presentation, let me introduce myself and my team members first. My name is Kansazaria Sabrina and I will act as the moderator as well as speaker in this presentation. There are also three of my friends, Niradlin Alicia, Shivana Shira, and Nesrina Aska, who will also act as speakers in this presentation. Now, what is exactly a parasocial relationship? According to Aitulun and Sunal, parasocial is one's relationship with an individual they don't personally know. These relationships are one-sided, where one person invests their emotional energy and time, while the other party is entirely unaware of the other's existence. A research result indicates that strong parasocial relationships are the second most fulfilling type of relationships in terms of emotional needs, often addressing difficult aspects that a weak two-sided relationship cannot, following strong two-sided relationships that rank as the first and the most fulfilling. Two-sided relationships offer benefits including adaptive social dynamics and proactive engagement, but it also comes with drawbacks such as inadequate support and inconsistent reaction. In contrast, parasocial relationship can sidestep these challenges because it is more dependable since it merely exists in individuals' minds and is not a subject to rejection. This kind of relationship often involves a celebrity or an idol with their fans, especially among those who are on their adolescent phase. It could be seen from the fact that lately, many adolescents on social media talk about the parasocial relationship they have with their favorite celebrities or even fictional characters, in which some of them are already on an extreme level of attachment. That is very concerning. Adolescence is a critical phase for teenagers as they explore their identity and character growth. Parasocial interaction leading to the development of a parasocial relationship play a significant role in this phase. That's why there are many discourses on whether this parasocial interaction will positively or negatively influence the teenager's growth. But before we conclude whether it is advantageous or not, let us take a look at the impact of PSR from both the positive and negative perspective.
Okay, so now I will explain about the positive impact of parasocial relationships among adolescents. Some people argue that parasocial relationships among adolescents also have some positive sides or benefits. The first positive impact is parasocial activity can help individuals strive for self-improvement since many people look up to public figures or influencers for guidance. This can inspire individuals to set goals, overcome challenges, and pursue their own self-improvement. Also, there are many media figures who openly discuss their failures and challenges and how they overcome them. This can help individuals feel that struggles are a natural part of growth and resilience, also making them more likely to persist in their own endeavors. Interacting with parasocial figures can trigger self-reflection and personal goal setting. For example, a follower might admire a fitness influencer's discipline and decide to set fitness goals for themselves. Or someone might be inspired by a YouTuber's career path and choose to pursue a similar creative career. The second positive impact is parasocial relationships provide a sense of connection to teenagers who are psychologically vulnerable. According to journals who support the idea that a one-sided relationship between adolescents and their favorite media figure, teenagers often feel lonely or misunderstood in their social environment. Parasocial relationships give them the illusion that they are not alone because they can feel close to someone who shares similar thoughts or feelings. This can be very comforting for teens who feel isolated or have difficulty connecting with their peers. For them, parasocial relationships offer a controlled, emotionally fulfilling connection that may feel safer and more supportive than real-world relationships. The last positive impact is parasocial relationships often serve as a source of emotional support. Adolescents may find comfort in their connection to a celebrity or character, which can act as a secure base during challenging times. For example, individuals who feel isolated may derive strength from their attachment to media figures, helping them navigate personal difficulties. Unlike real relationships, parasocial relationships tend to be more consistent and predictable. People can rely on the content shared by the figures they follow, providing a sense of stability and comfort, especially when dealing with feelings of anxiety or loneliness. Parasocial relationship is not involve the risk of rejection. Many people find it comforting because they can interact with media figures without fear of being judged or involved in emotional vulnerability. This makes it easier to seek emotional support.
Parasocial relationships are one-sided connections with media figures, like celebrities or fictional characters. And this relationship can negatively affect adolescents' social development. When adolescents feel close to these figures, they may become more anxious about face-to-face interactions. Instead, they prefer to communicate through digital communications, which can limit their social skills and confidence. Over time, relying too much on parasocial relationships can increase social anxiety, making it even more harder to face a real-life interactions. And this can lead to loneliness and low self-esteem, creating a cycle where they turn to parasocial relationships for emotional support while avoiding real-life interactions. Parasocial relationships also affect how adolescents view romance, love. Adolescents often form a strong emotional bond with their favorite celebrities or fictional characters, and which can lead to unrealistic ideas about love, like love at first sight or a perfect relationship. Since adolescents lack real-life experience to compare, these media portrayals can seem real to them. A constant exposure to idealized romance makes them believe that a relationship should be perfect, with no misunderstandings, with no conflict. And this belief can lead to a disappointment when a real-life relationships don't match their high expectations about love.
So, our group took two case examples. The first case was experienced by a K-pop idol named Karina from the girl group aespa and an actor Lee Jae-wook. The two of them only dated for 5 weeks before finally breaking up due to the pressure and bad comments made by their own fans on social media. These fans have a parasocial feelings toward both of them. They are not willing to let them have a relationship and do everything they can do to separate the two of them. A number of Karina aespa fans sent tracts written with protest sentences to the front of the SM Entertainment Agency building. After receiving pressure to apologize, Karina aespa wrote a letter expressing her regret over the dating news that shocked fans, which was uploaded on her personal Instagram account. The second case happened many years ago but still gives us goosebumps. This case was experienced by a young American actress and model, Rebecca Schaeffer. In July 1989, Rebecca Schaeffer, who was 21 years old at the time, was tragically shot by 19 years old Robert John Bardo at her West Hollywood apartment after stalking her for 3 years. Robert John Bardo's obsession with Rebecca Schaeffer began when he watched her sitcom My Sister Sam at age 16. He started writing letters to her, feeling a bond when she replied in 1987. This led to jealousy and anger, especially when he saw her in romantic scene with another actor. Inspired by another stalker, Bardo hired a private investigator to find Schaeffer's address and ultimately shot her when she answered her door on July 18, 1989. For his actions, in October 1991, Robert was convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole.
So we can conclude that parasocial relationships have more negative effects than the positive ones. Parasocial relationships can harm both the adolescents that form the parasocial feelings and the idols or celebrities that they admire. For these adolescents, parasocial relationships can hurt their social development. They may experience more anxiety, loneliness, and low self-esteem. And this parasocial relationship can also affect how adolescents view romance, leading to an unrealistic expectations and disappointment in real-life relationships.